person said that its computer will run for 5 minutes and then it shuts off. So we're going to take a look here. These are those new Lian Li fans. The Infinity series. Man, this thing is rough. Alright, let's see what we got here. Everything lined back up. Okay. Let's see. This is someone ordering a bunch of cable stuff to do custom cables and then not actually doing any of it right. Because it's a mess back here. Just I'm gonna call you. That's what I thought. CPU fan error. Yeah, like these fans aren't spinning. These fans aren't spinning. Alright, so right now, the customer brought this in, runs for about 5 minutes, and then it just shuts off, was what his explanation was. I've had it running for about 2 minutes, and the CPU temperature is already hitting 100 degrees Celsius, and then shutting itself off. So we're going to shut that off. And we're going to undo everything, and we're going to start this build completely over. Yeah, so I can tell you right now exactly what the problem is. Right now, like, so this line is probably 150, 200 degrees. This line, 70. The pump isn't running at all. Like, I've never really seen this before, where it's like, it's like there's no way to actually separate them. Figure that out. There you go. No more overheating. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ever have a question or concern about your computer and you just want to see if you can get an answer, swing by my Twitch channel. I'm usually there live. I can either myself or one of my community members will be able to answer your question. So stop by, hang out, and maybe learn a thing or two.